It's all about capacity with a Dahle Premium Rolling Trimmer. With the ability to cleanly cut through matboard, canvas, and up to 30 sheets of paper at a time, it's Dahle's most versatile trimmer yet. For a rolling trimmer, cutting capacities of this level are unheard of and made possible through the trimmer's double-walled aluminum guide bar. It's the strength of this bar that eliminates any chance of bowing or flexing and allows the rotary blade to power through thick, dense material. Of course, the sharper the blade, the easier it is to cut, and the cleaner the results. Dahle's self-sharpening cutting system features a ground rotary blade that cuts and sharpens in either direction. This action maintains the blade's precision graduated edge, allowing it to remove even the tiniest sliver of paper and produce a clean, burr-free cut each and every time. As with all Dahle products, safety is at the forefront of design, and this trimmer is no exception. To keep hands in the safe zone, the premium trimmer's blade is almost entirely encased in a protective housing, virtually eliminating the chance of personal injury. Holding your work securely is no longer a necessity. The integrated automatic clamping system provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For durability, this German-engineered trimmer features a sturdy metal base, designed to provide a solid foundation for rigorous use, day in and day out. For measuring, this base contains carefully screened guides and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy during repetitive cutting. With 5 sizes to choose from, Dahle Premium Rolling Trimmers offer the greatest capacity while maintaining the highest level of precision. Dahle Rolling Trimmers, exceeding even the most serious demands for accuracy.